Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. So guys, back again with a really exciting car video for you guys. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix a car window which takes a lot of time when rolling up, or the window motors are making a lot of sound. So the reason why this problem would occur is the place where your window rolls up or down is called as window channels. Now this place or this part is made out of rubber. So I live in Middle East where the temperature can get up to 50 degrees Celsius in summer. So where the rubber parts get really dry, and due to which your window motor has to work really hard in order to roll up the glass. So there is a very easy hack which you can use to fix this problem, and you can increase the life of your car window motors. So what I really like to do is I like to take a can of WD-40 and a microfiber cloth. Now you can also use the silicone spray. It lasts a lot longer, almost like 3 to 4 months, but I like to use the regular WD-40 and I like to do it every single month or maybe every other month. So what I would really do is I would spray the WD-40 in the window channels on the both side. So I would spray twice on each side, the left one and the right one. You want to put the microfiber cloth near so you can wipe away all the overspray, because you definitely don't want to put WD-40 on the paint. It isn't the best friend of your car's paint work. Another part where I see most people forget is the upper channel, or where your window seals. That part is also made out of rubber, and due to overtime and aging it can also get really dry, due to which your window might not seal properly. So what I really like to do is I like to spray some WD-40 on the upper channel also, or the upper rubber part. After that you want to roll open and close your window a few times just to make sure the WD-40 can spread equally in the window channels. Now you might see some stains on the glass of the WD-40. Just want to wipe it away. It usually happens 3 to 4 times. After that the WD-40 or the rubber sucks all the WD-40 and this won't happen again. To be honest, all of my window motors on my cars are still original, because I use this trick almost every month or every second month. This way my window motor doesn't have to put that much force in order to roll up the glass, because the rubber is really nice and soft. Plus you don't want to just do it for the one window, you want to do it for all the other windows also, all 4 windows, and you want to do it every second month or third month, whenever you have the time to do it. So if you want to see more of videos where I use WD-40 on my car, then definitely let me know in the comment section below. So with that being said, like the video if you like it. If you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.